Alright, this right here is a template that I created using JavaScript. It's written exclusively for Microsoft Internet Explorer. It's not made for Google Chrome. It's not made for Firefox or any of those other browsers. It's exclusively written for Internet Explorer. Now I can tweak it so that it'll work in others, but for this example, it's just Internet Explorer. So if you're going to use this, it would have to be an Internet Explorer. So anyway, I created this because, you know, when you are in the office and you're the person who is an administrative assistant, or even just a person in the meeting, one of the managers, and you're the person that is tasked with taking the minutes, you know, when everybody's talking. Sometimes people can talk really fast and multiple people start talking, and when you're trying to write really fast and keep up with people, your writing, even if you have good writing, it can kind of be sloppy. Well, for me personally, I don't have good handwriting, and I'm used to typing, so if I'm trying to write really fast, I know my writing is going to be sloppy. And so when you get back to your desk and you try to retype that stuff up into the format for minutes, sometimes I can't even read my own handwriting, so I decided to create a template that will organize everything for me neatly. Now, let's just quickly say that we have 3 people meeting today. Whatever the topic, it doesn't matter what the topic is. One person's name is Kelly, one person's name is Kenny, and one person's name is Ricky. I have pre-programmed these buttons where when I press them, an image of that person will appear. Right next to the image, their name will appear. It'll say, like, for instance, Kenny says, or Kelly says, or Ricky says. And then whatever I type in this text field right here will appear next to that name. So let me just go ahead and say that Kelly, the second person here, let's just say that Kelly starts the meeting off, and I'm going to type with my right hand, so it's going to be kind of sloppy. Let's say she said, good morning to everybody. Okay, now you see good morning typed in there? Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to press the button that says Kelly. I'm going to zoom out of here so you can see what happens. I'm going to press Kelly, and notice what happened. A picture appeared with Kelly's picture, and Kelly says, and then good morning. Now another person starts talking. Ricky says, Ricky's talking right now, so I'm going to type over that. And once again, I'm still typing. I'll start the meeting. Okay. And now I'm going to go and press the Ricky button. I'm going to zoom out of here so you can see what happens. It's sort of like, and now you see Ricky's picture here. It says, Ricky says, I'll start the meeting. This is the best way for me to take notes. If I'm going to be a note taker in some type of meeting, whether it's in the workplace or wherever else, this is a chat room structure where, you know, it's really neat. They are in order of the person who's talking, so you can never get confused. In this case, like I said, I even added pictures. And in some workplaces, you know, you have like an employee intranet site where everybody's employee picture is there. You may want to download those. Get permission from the manager. See if it's okay for you to do it like that. That would probably create something really nice. And see, the way that this works is I don't really even have to change this. This will be the rough draft of the meeting minutes, and when I get back, I'll just do it in a more professional format where the pictures won't be there, or say Kelly says this. You know, I'll just have to do it the way that you normally type up minutes. But this ensures that I don't get confused. It ensures that my writing is not so sloppy that I can't read it when I get back to type. So of course, doing it this way, you would have to have a laptop in the meeting as it's occurring, so that you are on your laptop and you're typing. It's sort of like being in a courtroom, and the person who's actually typing everything that the judge and the lawyer and the defendants and things like that are saying. This is the way that I think is the best way to take notes in a meeting. We're in 2013. There's no reason that people should still be taking a pen, pencil, and a piece of paper into a meeting when you don't really have to. Every company has at least one spare laptop that IT will allow each department to borrow. everybody doesn't have meetings at the same time. So, and not only that, sometimes a manager that you work for may allow you to use his or her laptop to take those meeting minutes, so that it is neat and nice. So this is just something I want to show people. I like to create things to make life simple and easy for me and everyone else. So now I'm not going to show you the code behind this because it's just something that I'm going to keep to myself, but you will be able to learn how to do all of this if you choose to learn JavaScript. I do have a small book out. I think it's like $4 or $5, and it's made available on both iTunes and on Amazon as ebooks. So if you want to learn JavaScript, it's really a nice language to know, and it'll allow you to do a lot of amazing things. All right, thanks.